Hey, welcome to Tomorrow Venture Investing. And today we're going to go over our top 5 stocks to watch in 2022, as well as one honorable mention that didn't quite make our list of the top 5. I would also like to add these are just top 5 stocks to watch, not hurry up and go out and invest. Please do some research, make sure that they're the ones for you. And without further ado, let's get on with it. All right, first up is Smile Direct Club, our honorable mention stock. The reason why it did not exactly make our list is because this is more of a lottery ticket stock. For those that don't know, Smile Direct Club is listed as a health care stock with their Invisalign bracers, which is geared more toward the telehealth industry. They also provide other dental healthcare products that is also found in shelves of Walmart. They also curved their business model to be more affordable to the average person. Smile Direct Club has had a tremendous beatdown in 2021. Oh, they've gone through some rough times, from a 52-week high of $16.08 down to $2.46. But here's the thing about Smile Direct Club. They burned through a lot of cash trying to advertise, which has scared a lot of investors. And their latest quarter announcement wasn't a pretty sight at all. So if they could just decrease some of the cash burn and possibly report something positive in their future quarter announcements, could easily send this stock soaring higher and higher. It does not take very much good news to possibly make this one do a 180 and reach their 1-year price target that analysts has predicted of $4.13. All right, on to our number 5 top picks of stocks to watch in 2022, which kicking it off with Oatley. And for those that don't know, Oatley is a dairy plant-based food distributor. Oatley also IPO'd recently this year at about $17 a share, and that created an opportunity right now to get in way below that. Oatley has 2 U.S. manufacturers, one in New Jersey and one in Utah, which they recently opened, and has gone through a slight little production, I guess what Tesla would call production hell, which they hinted in their last quarter announcement. They're also in the middle of expanding their business by opening up 2 more factories later on. And if they can get all their woes that they listed in their last quarter under control, they could easily do a 180 in this stock and hit their 1-year price target analysis at $15.42, with 18 analysts covering this stock. Over 13 of them give it a nice little buy rating, 4 of them say hold, and 1 says sell. And with all the potential upside, this might be a great time to jump in on it. And now that brings us to our number 4 top stocks to watch in 2022, which is Crispr Therapeutics, with the symbol CRSP. For those that don't know, CRISPR is a genotherapy, which is in the middle of doing ongoing trials on people, helping them cure their blindness from the DNA level, where they go in and cut out part of a bad gene code and implement a new gene code that will rewrite and help people see that could not see before, which in November and December of 2021 has brung the stock down dramatically, which sums it up that this stock has not had a very good year, and reports say that was due to weaker than expected results from their trials. And with 24 analysts covering this one, with majority of those leaning more toward the buy rating, with an expected $151 price target, which is not close to their 52-week high that they previously held at 220. Number 3 in our top 5 stocks to watch in 2022, which is the Honest Company, HNST. And for those that don't know, Honest Company deals with diapers, beauty, bath, body supplies, and some clothing, which they have displays in Target stores. The Honest Company has recently IPO'd earlier this year and has taken a beating recently due to the small cap stocks being devastated in the previous 2 months. And for all of that, made them not have a very good year in 2021. Which brings us to the 9 analysts covering this stock with overwhelmingly more toward the buy rating at over $13.69. Which brings me to believe once the small cap stocks start their rebound, I can easily see this one doing a 180 and possibly hitting their $13.69 1-year price target or greater, which is why it's on our list of top stocks to watch. Number 2, top 5 stocks to watch in 2022, which is Tattooed Chef, TTCF. For those that don't know, Tattooed Chef is also in the plant-based food product in the frozen food section. Tattooed Chef has 3 analysts covering this stock with 2 to 1 on a buy rating, with the 1-year price target of $21.33. Which brings us some recent news about this stock. As of December 21st, 2021, it has completed its acquisition of a company, a private label co-manufacturer, Belmont Confections Incorporated, a manufacturer of snack food and snack bars. So it appears that they also want to get into the plant-based snack food industry. With something like this added to their business model, that could send this stock soaring higher and higher, in my opinion. Which is why it's on our list of top 5 stocks to watch. Which now brings us to our number 1 top stocks to watch in 2022. Helms Hers, which I did a previous video on this stock not too long ago. Here's a card above locating to that video. But for those that don't know, Helms Hers is more of the telehealth healthcare space, which in their last quarter announcement was pretty phenomenal. With their recent release of their new app, they are hitting it out of the park in my opinion. And between the fact that they just recently IPO'd earlier this year, also tied up in the small cap stock tumble, which I do own this stock by the way, in my opinion this marks a really good opportunity to buy in. Which I'm not the only one that believes this. With the co-founder buying 481K worth of shares, and recent reports say the CEO also bought $3 million worth of shares. Both buying shares much higher than what the price is today. There are currently 5 analysts covering this stock. Barely over half of them have hit a buy rating, where they project a $10.20 price target over 1 year, which I think is very low. And this is our number 1 top stocks to watch in 2022 because this has a potential to hit 20x over the 3 to 5 years as they get closer and closer to profitability. And if you enjoyed this content, please give it a like and subscribe. Due to that, I'm a brand new channel. That would truly help me out. And according to the YouTube algorithm, they suggest you should watch this video next. I appreciate everybody for watching. Tomorrow Venture Investing.